Hello everyone, welcome back to Toe of the Week. Stay tuned and see what I did to match the nails I did on Monday. Welcome everybody, great to see each and every one of you and great to be back doing another video. This is my toe design to match the nails I did on Monday, those beautiful Christmas nails that I did, and I love them when you turn them this way. It looks like Christmas trees, don't they? I'm just loving this set and the plaid with it is so beautiful. Can't wait to show you the outfit that's going to match this one. Let's get started on this design. Everybody take care, God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my next video. Hello everyone. So here's what I chose to go with for my second winter/Christmas look. This beautiful plaid and candy cane stripe matching the nails I did on Monday. If you'd like to see how I did this one, continue watching. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Toe of the Week. The set of toes, as always, is going to match with the nails I did on Monday. And you know what? Because of the shape, I did that stiletto shape. They look like Christmas trees when they're turned around. Aren't those cool? I love them. So this set of toes is going to match that. I hope you got a chance to see that video. It was Monday. If you didn't, check it out. In this video here, let me show you what I'm using. So it's all the same products. I'm going to be using this beautiful Sally Hanson green. It's the most beautiful Christmas emerald green ever. I love it. It's called Skype Maker. I love the gel polishes, and you couldn't get more Christmas green with this one. I absolutely love the way it looks. And then I have topped it off with my Seche Vite Dry Fast Top Coat. I just wanted to dry everything up before I begin the art. And then I'm going to be working with acrylic paints. These are Apple Barrel. I got them from Walmart. They're 50 cents a piece right now. I stocked up on them. They are a wonderful acrylic paint. I'm using this cobalt hue, the white and the black, just for mixing colors, and I need the white for the striping. And then I'm going to be working with these micro glitters I got from Joanne about 2 years ago. They always have the micro glitters though. And I got the green here and the gold. I'm going to be using that to make the toes, the smaller ones, a glitter like these. And then I'm going to be using the glitter to do some of the stripes on the toes too. They're going to be very tiny little stripes though because toes are so much smaller. So, and I'll be working with Robin Moses's brushes. And I believe I only need one because the toes are so small. So I'm just going to be working with, what's wrong one? Her wand. Let me turn that around so you can see that. You got it right here. Can you see that? Right there. Robin Moses, nailart.com is how you order these. This is called the wand. That's the one I'm going to be working with. And the tip looks like this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love her brushes. So then after that, after I'm all done, again, I will top it off with the Seche Vite Dry Fast Top Coat. So it's shiny and beautiful. So I am going to get started on some of the plaid look, and I will return to show you what I'm doing. All right, so I've got one of them done on the big toe with that plaid look. I'm going to show you how I'm doing that. I'm going to draw in here so you can see it good. And also here's my palette. I've taken that cobalt color and I've mixed a little bit of black, so I made it kind of a navy color, and then also made it even darker here, so it's more of a dark, dark navy, and then I've got a little white. So the first thing I'm going to do is dip into the lightest navy, get a little bit on my brush. You don't need a lot. Her brushes are fantastic. They hold a lot of paint. So I'm just going to go like this, and I'm going to start over in here. Let me make sure the light's on. Yep, okay. So I'm going to start over here, and I'm just going to set the brush down and kind of anchor, and I want this one to be skinny. So once you anchor, then just pull down like that. There's that stripe. Now I'm going to dip in again, and I'm going to make a wider stripe now. I'm going to do it over in here, and I'm going to set the brush down, again, going a little bit wider now. So I'm going to go across like that, kind of anchoring it, and then just pull down, and then you're going to go back and make this one wider, and then just pull down. I'm telling you, you guys, you got to order her brushes. They are fantastic. And then I'm going to dip in the same color, and I'm going to go across the toe, just a thin stripe, just anywhere you want. You can do this exactly the way I'm doing it, or you can just design it your own way for your own plaid look. Okay, just go across the toe like that. Make sure everything is filled in. I better grab just a tiny little bit more just to go in this corner here. Okay, and don't worry if you get it on the skin. Very easy to wipe off. Okay, then I'm going to go into that darker color, and it still is a navy, but it's got more black to it. Okay, I'm going to dip in there, and then I'm just going to go, whoops, don't want too much on here. Just going to go right down the center now with a thin line. And once you anchor, always anchor, and then just slide it down. That's what Robin teaches you when she teaches you how to use her brushes. I'm going to go back into it again, and I'm just going to go down to the bottom here, anchor, and go across the toe. Like that. Perfect. Now I'm going to go into my white. Now you can wait in between for these acrylic paints to dry. I'm very careful so I can go right over so we don't have to keep going off the camera, but I would wait till they're dry. They dry pretty quick. So then I'm going to go in with white, and I'm just going to do a very, actually this one will be the thicker one here. I'm going to make this one thicker, again, anchoring, and then pull down, and just go right back up into it and make this a thicker line, like that. Even it out a little bit better. Okay, and then I'm going to do a thin one right over here. Just set the brush down, anchor, and slide it down the toe. Toe or finger, whichever one you're doing. Just going to get a little bit more so it covers. Like that. And then I want to go across the toe. Always looks great with plaid when you go across too. So I'm going to go across with the white, anchor, and pull across. Be careful because your paints are wet, so I would work like I'm doing, where you lift up the brush and, you know, put it back down just because the paints are wet. If you wait for them to dry, you don't even have to worry about that. Then you would do the same way, just anchor and pull across. So I'm going to do that like that. So that is good, just like that. Let me show you the other one. So here's the two toes together. I am going to let these dry up, and I'm going to start working on the glitter, the green. All right, now I have got the glitter going on the toes. I've left one open to show you, and here is my palette here. You just take the glitter, pour it out, and pour your clear coat, a clear base or a clear top coat, just to the side, and then swirl and mix it together. Let me show you how I'm putting it on. Then once it's on, I'm just going to use the same stuff that I poured the polish out right here. It's just a clear polish. I'm going to use that brush, dipping into this like this, and then I'm just going to paint it on. Hope I didn't run out here. Oh, here's some. Okay, good. I thought I kind of ran out. I was like, I hope there's enough for one toe. And that's why it's great to have a base underneath, because then the glitter doesn't, you know, get too transparent. You really need it to be opaque. So it's always good to put a base color down first when doing glitters. You don't have to if you don't need it to be, you know, real opaque. If you just want it transparent, you can do that too. So there we go. I am done with that step. Now I'm going to add in some gold and work in the stripes. I'm going to get a few done, and I will return. All right, now I've got the glitter in the big toe over here and striping across the baby toes. I've left one open and this one open to show you. Here's my palette. There's the gold there. Same process. I just put some of the loose glitter out, and then I added the base coat to the side and then mixed it. So I'm going to draw in here. All right, we'll start with the big toe. Just going to get a little bit of polish on here, kind of thick at first because this one I want to do thicker. So I'm going to bring this one over here, and again, anchoring, and then just pull it down. I want this side to be thicker, like that. And then I'm going to go across the toe now. I'm going to go across this way, just right here, real thin, a real little thin stripe across the toe, just like that. And then the baby toes, I am going to go at an angle here and make the middle one a little thicker, like that. And then I'm going to make two thin ones on each side, just really tiny. And that's what I love about her brush. You can work so small and work, you know, bigger too. So bring it across like that. So that is that. I think it's turning out. Hang on one second. I'm going to draw out for you guys. I think it looks so great, and it is definitely looking like my nails, matching so good. So I am going to dry all this up. I am going to put on a Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat, and I will return to show all of you the end product. Alrighty, I am all done. And aren't these just darling? Look like Christmas presents. I just love the way that they turned out. They match so great with my nails. I hope you guys enjoy them, and I hope you are enjoying my winter/Christmas nails that I've been doing each week. There is much more to come, and the last two are going to be so much more Christmassy. I hope you guys will give this one a try. Everybody take care, God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my next video.